Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Holly if you are new here, and I am a makeup beginner who unboxes makeup subscription boxes. If you haven't already, please subscribe to this channel and also subscribe to my vlog channel. I will link that down below in the description box. And you can follow me on Instagram. I will put my handle right here, and I will also put that down in the description box as well. So today I have for you the March Boxycharm box. So let's see what's in that. Alright, so first up we have mini ceramic curling iron with cool tip by Sutra. Okay, so a curling iron doesn't really come in huge use in my life because obviously, but you never know. So it comes in this little pouch here. It says Sutra on it. We'll see what this is. It's a really nice little like travel size. Oh, this is adorable. Next up we have this vintage by Jessica Liebskind. I don't know how to pronounce it. It looks to me like it's a lip gloss. It doesn't have a smell. I've noticed that like usually lip glosses smell like vanilla cake. This one does not. Let's try this on real quick, shall we? That's what it looks like. Not bad. It's definitely sticky. Looks nice though. Gives like my lips a little bit of a shimmer. Next up we have Project Beauty Hairgurt Almond Honey Intense Repair Yogurt Hair Mask. Oh my gosh, I love hair masks. They're like the best thing ever. I'm just really picky about, oh, okay, cool, awesome. I was just gonna say that I'm really picky about ingredients in my hair because I just am. And it says we keep out the bad stuff. So free of sulfates, parabens, harsh salt systems, harmful colors, and harmful fragrances. I wonder if there's silicones in it. I would sure hope not. Okay, I will definitely do some research on ingredients in this and be giving this a try. Let's see what it smells like. Okay, it smells exactly how I would imagine it to smell, very like almond-like, but it smells good. Next up, can you see it? It's the Living in Color palette. Okay, so I predict that this is going to be like a really like colorful like eyeshadow, and I just do not do really colorful stuff. I basically stick to neutrals, but we'll see. I love this packaging though, it's so shimmery. Oh, there's all the colors right there. Oh, okay, that is cute. Oh, the glare. I don't know if you can really see it, but there's like 4 matte like colors and then like 5 like shimmery stuff. So that's really nice. Shall we swatch one? Let's swatch this like shimmery greenish blue, shall we? Oh, that looks like really nice. And we'll do this really blue matte color. Wow, they look extremely pigmented. Wow. Alright, so the last item is from Kat Von D, and it's a lash liner, inner liquid eyeliner. Okay, so I'm assuming this is going to be for like your waterline, inner lash line, I'm assuming. Which is nice because I use eyeliner in my waterline all the time. So this is what it looks like. Comes in this big like tubey thingy. It's in the shade Trooper Black. Oh my, what the heck? Wow, this is a really different like applicator. All right, we're gonna have to experience this. Okay. Oh wow. I can't like describe it. It's not like a regular brush like I was expecting. I can't. It's like a sponge kind of, like on the ends of lip glosses. Does that make sense? Wow, very interesting. Alright guys, that is it to this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!